Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Atif Official. If you're as excited about tech as I am, you've probably heard the buzz around Nothing's next big release, the Nothing Phone 3. After the success of the Phone 1 and Phone 2, expectations are sky high. So, what can we expect from the Nothing Phone 3? Let's dive in. Design and build. First up, let's talk design. Nothing has always been about standing out, and the Phone 3 is likely to continue that trend. We are expecting a sleek, transparent design with those iconic glyph lights on the back. But this time, rumors suggest the glyph interface could be even more customizable and functional. Think dynamic lighting for notifications, music, and even gaming. Imagine getting a notification and the lights dance in a pattern unique to the app or contact. How cool would that be? Do display and performance. Next, the display. The Nothing Phone 2 already had a fantastic OLED screen, but the Phone 3 might take it up a notch. We're talking a 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and possibly an even brighter panel for better outdoor visibility. And under the hood, the Phone 3 is rumored to pack the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, making it a powerhouse for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. Pair that with up to 12 GB of RAM, and you've got a phone that can handle anything you throw at it. Sup 3. Camera upgrades. Now, let's talk cameras. Nothing has been improving its camera game with each release, and the Phone 3 is expected to feature a 50 megapixel main sensor, along with ultra-wide and macro lenses. But the real upgrade might be in the software. Think AI-powered features like better night mode, portrait enhancements, and even 8K video recording. If Nothing nails the camera software, the Phone 3 could seriously compete with the big players in mobile photography. For software and user experience. On the software side, the Phone 3 will likely run on Nothing OS 2.5 based on Android 14. Nothing's clean, bloatware-free approach has been a hit, and we're expecting even more customization options and smoother performance this time around. And let's not forget those glyph lights. Rumor has it they'll integrate even deeper into the OS, giving you more control over how you interact with your phone. Battery and pricing. Battery life is another area where the Phone 3 could shine. We're expecting a 5000 mAh battery with 65 Watt fast charging and possibly even wireless charging support. That means less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Now the big question, how much will it cost? If Nothing sticks to its strategy, the Phone 3 could start around 600, 700, making it a strong competitor in the mid to high-end market. Release date and competition. So, when can we expect the Nothing Phone 3? Rumors point to a late 2024 release, possibly around October. It'll be going head-to-head with the iPhone 15 and the Google Pixel 8. But with its unique design and features, it could carve out a solid niche. Will it be worth the wait? Only time will tell. But based on what we know so far, the Nothing Phone 3 is shaping up to be a serious contender. So, what do you think about the Nothing Phone 3? Are you excited or are you sticking with your current phone? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.